welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be opening up a couple things for you guys. It might be a short video, to be honest, because that's what I got. So this was from the premiere that I participated in last month, I think in April. I can't remember, but I did get this earlier this week. Finally came in. So for participating in the tournament, you get a pack of Moonrise and 2 tournament premiere packs. I think in the upcoming one, I think they're gonna probably switch Moonrise to Firestorm. Don't quote me on that, but I'm gonna assume that's how it is because Firestorm is gonna be the new set. So these are from been holding on to these for a while. This is when they had this promo from a sale before that they would send you like this attached to a little card thing. I don't have the card on me, but just to see what it's like to get these things. They sent these in your order. I did open up one of those in a previous video a while back. But I have gotten these in the Pandora's boxes. And then this random Shattered Stars bundle. So one of my orders before was missing a Shattered Stars bundle. I only got, can't even remember what it was that I ordered, but it was missing this. So I reached out to support and they sent me a bundle, which I thought was really awesome. Support's really great. Yeah, if you're missing things in your order, just reach out to them. They're really responsive, really great at making sure you get the things you're supposed to get. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up these things for you guys. Trying to figure out, maybe I'll open up these last, since this will be my first time opening these. Probably go ahead and open these. Maybe open up this one since they came together, and then go ahead and open it up in this order. Let's see, series 2. Maybe open up both series 1s together. Check something really quick. Okay. So starting with the series 1 tournament pack. I think it comes with 3, and then the tournament pack only comes with 2 cards. So let's see, we got Altar of Stars, Drataya, and Reverse Stellar Tundra. Let's see, tournament pack 1. Another Altar of Stars, Drataya, and Reverse Stellar Aardvark. Let me sleeve up this too. Now we have Tournament Pack Series 2. I think you only get these from participating in events in your LGS, but unfortunately the LGS near me does not do this. I have submitted a request for the one near me as well as several nearby, and by nearby I mean almost an hour out. Closest one to me is like maybe 10 minutes out, and then everything else is pretty close to an hour away from me unfortunately. But I am willing to make the drive out there to participate in events if there are any. Okay, let's see. We have Morfrost Form, Glimbet, and Reverse Stellar Chronodile. But yeah, like I said, I am willing to drive out to some of these. I did submit requests for those. LGS's, not sure if I'm gonna hear back from them, but I'm really hoping that I can actually participate in person for the locals, to you know, practicing and, you know, playing with other people. Be really cool to have another option other than just doing webcam. But yeah, I'm a little bummed out, you know, that there's nothing near me, but hopefully you know, I'll be able to eventually be able to find a place that does in-store play. That would be really cool. Hopefully on a day off though for me. Let's see, and our last old tournament pack cards, we have Equalinks, Smoky, and Fulgorix Reverse Stellar. Okay, we have our next is our Shattered Stars. I think this is the lunar. Is this the lunar one? Don't remember off the top of my head. I think this is the lunar Shattered Stars. This was from March 2025. I don't even remember what was in my order for that, but I ordered something plus I don't know if I ordered 2. Yeah, I don't remember. I'm over here trying to rack my brain, but yeah, Sapporo was pretty cool and sent me out this one to replace the one I didn't get. So let's see what sticker we get. We got, ooh, a Stellar Nabi. I think this is the first Reverse Stellar sticker I've gotten. Everything else is like a normal regular sticker so far. Looks like, yeah, this looks like a lunar Shattered Stars set. And I'm gonna be making a video from the tariff sale items that I got soon. I already have the items. So yeah, I'll be making that video real soon. Let's see. Afros, Voldusk, Hypnosum, Comalis, Carryoff, a Hollow Hypnosum. We have Hollow Full Art Necrolith and Alu. Iparos. Oh, you know what? Oh goodness, let me try to rearrange this. I was like, wait. Here I have these arranged in a certain way because I put them in a little divider thing by what element they are. So I have Afros, Voldusk, Hypnosum, Comalis, Carry Off, Hollow, Afros, Bow of Artemis, and Aulu. So our last pack. Afros, Voldusk, Hypnosum, Comalis, Carry Off, Hypnosum, Hollow. Ooh. Oh, Reverse Stellar. Reverse Stellar Magneros. Drew a blank. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't think I've pulled this yet, but that's really cool. Let's look that up. And we have Alune. Yep, still have yet to pull a serialized anything. That's the goal one of these days, to pull a serialized card. Hopefully I notice it when I open up my pack, because I don't know. I might just like end up skipping it. But yeah, one of these days hopefully pull a serialized Stellar. See, this is a Moonrise pack. Let's see, we have Leviathan, Havoc, Havoc, Drakid, Parkyray, Artbud, Plovi, Tsunami High Tide, Aurora Borealis, Cunning Offer, and a hollow Full Clips. We have tournament pack, 2 cards. It's gonna be my first time opening these. I think this comes with the marble background. Let's see what 2 we get. Ooh, got the Lycoris, my boy, and we got Viserys. Sleep those. This one my favorite, because that's my favorite spirit. Lycoris, my boy. And then our last pack. I am already signed up for the next premiere. It's supposed to be on June 7th. Luckily I'm not working the night before like I usually do. That's why I wasn't able to participate in the most recent one, because I was working, and then by the time I get home they're already on like round 2 or so. Yeah, I do work night shifts, so that kind of prevents me from, participating in these online tournaments sometimes. Even doing the casuals, I haven't done casuals in a while because I'm just so tired, when I get home, even though it's at least for my time, I think 4 p.m, but I get home late morning from work, so I'm tired, I'm still sleeping, and by the time I'm awake, I'm I don't really want to do anything. Alright, so let's see. what we get in our last pack. Oh, we have Pyro. That's cool. And we have Broomalinks. I don't know if you could, might be a little hard to see, but Broomalinks kind of look like, I don't know how you say, you know, like the emo style. I was gonna do the song. I say, tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. That song. Oh my gosh, that's oh my gosh, that's like the thing that people say every time there's like a something with the emo style looking things. But yeah, I thought that's just too funny. It's still a cool card though. Yeah, so that's it for our pulls. We'll go through them really quick. So we have that Stellar Nobby. Gonna turn that into a pin. We have the Broomlinks by Pyro, Lycaris, Viserys, Reverstellar Magneros, Reverstellar Gorix, Chronodile, Twindra, and Ardvaro. Alright, you guys, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you for supporting my channel just by watching my videos and letting me share my hobby with you guys. Alright, you guys take care of yourself. You guys have a great rest of your day, great rest of your week. Hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.